Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to build a shipping courier website. So to get started, first you log into your cPanel, then this is your cPanel. So first off, you search for your SSL certificate to know if it's valid. So you search for SSL TLS status. If it's not valid, then you can run auto SSL. So you select all, then run auto SSL. So now it's valid. Then secondly, you run auto redirect on your domain. So you search for domain, you go to your domain. Yeah, so now this is our domain is auto redirected, so it's on. So now let's get started. So yeah, that is where you can turn on your redirect. So now we create a database for our website. So here you have to create your database. You can give it any name you want. Like for me, I just give it a random zigzag name. Then I copy. Then I create the database. Then you go back after creating database. So now we have to create our database user, which is the user for the database. So now you follow the step. Okay. Now you paste the same name you copied first. Then you put in your password. Make sure your password is secure. And repeat the password so they can match. Then you create the user. Now you have to copy the whole database name, which is same as the database user. You copy, then you go back. Now next step is you have to add the database and the database user together. That is to connect them. So you connect the newly created database and database user together, then you add. Now you have to select all privileges. Very important. So now we make changes. So we are done with this. Go back to your cPanel home page. Okay, it's loading. Okay. All right. So, hold on. Okay. All right. So now we have to go to our file manager and upload our website file. So if you want to get this file, you can contact me through the Telegram URL on my channel, but it's not free. Okay. So, but it's affordable. So you go to your public underscore HTML. You can go from here quick. Then you upload the file that you will get. So you click on upload. Now you have to upload the file. Okay, you look for the file. It's a zip file, so you can't upload the folder to the file manager. It must be on zip. Okay, that's our file. Then you double click to upload to our file manager. So it's loading. So I have to pause this first. Then after uploading, we'll come back. Okay. All right, so it's done. Once it's done, it's going to show green. If it doesn't show green, don't leave this page. So it need to be complete. So you close the page, then reload. If you don't see the file, then this is our file. So now we have to extract. You right click on extract. Now we extract our file. Extract to the public underscore HTML. That's it. That's our file. Okay. So you visit your website and you see it's not actually showing because we have not connected our website to database and we have not uploaded our SQL file. So what we'll do is upload our SQL file, then we connect the database to the website. So search for phpMyAdmin, then click on phpMyAdmin. Okay, it's loading. All right, so this is our phpMyAdmin. So you have to click on your username you just created, which is the same as database. Then now we have to upload our SQL file. The SQL file comes with the zip file you will get. That's the zip file you will get. So now we have to import. Click on import, not export. Then upload our file. Choose a file. Okay, let's look for our SQL file. Okay, all right. So that's our SQL file. You upload, scroll down, don't set anything else, just scroll down, click on import. All right, so our file has been imported. So all right, this our file is it's not a big file, so it will be very easy. So now we have to connect it to our database. Look for db.php. But all you have to know is all files are not the same. All website creation steps are not the same. Some are just automated, some are manual. This is manual creation. So now we have to paste our we have to paste our username and the database name. So I think yes, this is our username. You can copy from the database you created from the management database. So we have to paste it here. Then our password is already there, so you paste it on the user too and the database. So now you have to save. Now if you visit our website, you will know it's actually working now. So you have to refresh. Yes, this is our shipping website. That's our Courier website. So you can see how it looks like. You can customize all this yourself if you are experienced. So if you have experience in web development, so yeah, you can see the contact page. Everything is perfectly okay. So now we have to visit the admin. I will walk you around on how the admin page look like. Okay, let me search for tracking. Let me track a package and see. Okay, so you can see we have one package here. This is just a demo. I just uploaded a picture. You can see the location of the package. You can print a receipt. Now you can see how the receipt of the package looks like. So yeah, so all right, so that's it. So now let's visit our admin dashboard. Okay, /admin. Okay, all right, so this is the admin. Log in the admin. Okay, so we log in now. This is the admin dashboard. You can see some few testing package I created. Now we go to the settings. This is the settings. Set the name, everything here. You can change your logo from here. Okay, this is it. This is the shipping settings and this is the email settings. So this is it. This is how to add tracking. You can add tracking from here. So if you need this script, you can let me know. Then you can, if you have any question, just comment. Thank you for watching.